Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create velocity editing using Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use Capcut on mobile phone. So make sure you have installed the Capcut application on your phone. Okay, I'm going to open up the Capcut and then I'm going to open up a project I have just created. This one guys, I'm going to create a velocity editing using this video. Okay, you can import your video to the Capcut project and then we're going to add music to our video. I'm going to go to the audio right here and then I'm going to go to the sounds. And then you can add music from Capcut library or you can add your own music. And for me, I'm just going to add music from Capcut library. I'm going to go to the beats category. Okay, and if you want to add music from the Capcut library, you need to have internet connection because we need to download it. Okay, for example, I'm just going to choose, wait guys, let me choose one of them. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to add the music to my project. Alright, now the music has been added and then I'm going to cut the music according to my video. I'm going to cut the music here. Wait, let me click on split and delete. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the velocity effect. So we need to select our video. Okay, now the video is selected and then I'm going to go to the effect menu. And then you're going to find the style, select style, and then you will find velocity effect here. With this velocity effect, you don't need to create the velocity editing manually guys. You just need to apply this effect to your video and then the velocity will be applied automatically. There are some velocity effects that you can use, but only one of them is free. This one, this flash velocity. If you have subscribed to Capcut, you can use the other one, but here I'm just going to use the free one. Okay, and then it's being applied to my video and then we just need to wait for a moment. Okay, it's done guys. The velocity effect has been applied to my video. And as you can see that the effect has added the beat mark automatically and the velocity created according to the beat mark. And let's play it, but sorry, I cannot make it louder due to the copyright issue. Okay, like this. Okay, and if you want to export, just go to the export menu and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create velocity editing on Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.